everybody. Excuse the loud car. It's Sunday morning. I've been doing a little bike riding. I did a little grass cutting. And today, I think we're just gonna chill, but I wanted to get on here anyway. And just let everybody know, the other day I went to take a look at the push mower that I had repaired. They said it wasn't ready, that it's still waiting on parts. Well, you know, I'm going to tell a little story about my dad and why I like to refurbish old stuff. It was 84 or 85. I was a young whippersnapper at that time. And my dad was a brick mason. You know, he laid block for a living and poured concrete, all that kind of stuff. Well, it was in the summertime, and he was working right close to home, so I wasn't in school, and he was working right up this, I mean, literally not even 100 yards away, building rows for this greenhouse that's right next to where our property was. And he had given me this little trowel. Trowel is something they use when they mixing mud and all of that to put in between the bricks anyway. So I'm out there messing around, helping him or whatever, and my trowel broke. So I got all kind of distraught. I was like, man, that, you know, is my favorite tool, this, that, and the other. And he got so pissed, he said, okay, I'm gonna take it and get it fixed or whatever. And he did. It was like metal and wood, but he had a bronze braid and put it back together for me, and I was happy. Well, that's kind of how I am about old stuff, like old chainsaws, old lawnmowers, stuff like that. I know that they still got plenty of use left in them, so I try to, instead of going to buy new this and buy new that, sometimes if I think it's worth it, I'll have them repaired. And that's the moral of this little story, is that if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and if it's still usable, fix it. You know, you might come out better, because the older stuff they used to make is a lot better quality, in my opinion, than the new stuff that's coming out. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and say that you know, if you got stuff that's slightly used and you think it's repairable, there's usually somebody out there that knows how to fix it. So just let's do more of that. This is Curtis Minor. You were just inside the Curtis Minor Experience.